Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. But today I want to show you the road which is itself a beautiful destination. Yes, I am talking about Cliffhanger Road. Hello friends, let's take you to the world's dangerous and deadliest road in Kishtwar, popularly known as Cliffhanger Road. Cliffhanger Road, an adventurous and attractive road for adventure lovers. To drive on this road is not an easy job and you need a great courage. About its location, the Cliffhanger Road falls in Padar Tehsil of district Kishtwar in Jammu division of Union Territory, Jammu and Kashmir in India. This Cliffhanger Road connects Jammu with Himachal via Ishtiyari village of Padar. To reach here, you need to take journey to district Kishtwar of Jammu, which is popular tourist destination, especially for people outside from India. After reaching Kishtwar, from few distance, you get two routes. The one route, which is National Highway 244, leads you to Kashmir Valley, and the route, which is in right side, will take you to the Padar Valley of Kishtwar. From Kishtwar, Padar Valley is at a distance of 70 to 80 km and after reaching Padar Valley, you can take rest or also you can stay at night in hotel or homestay as the facilities are available. From Padar Valley, the route gets diverted for Himachal Pradesh, and on this route, the Cliffhanger Road is at a distance of 10 to 12 kilometers. So after a very short time from Padar Valley, you will reach to Cliffhanger Road. As the name Cliffhanger is itself a clue about this road. The history of this road is amazing. This road was built in the era of 90s by border road organizations. There were large and big mountains, deep gorges, but they were not bigger than the willpower of border road organization. After hard dedication of many years, Border Road Organization set an example by discovering this route, and from that time, this route was an attraction for tourists. People from different countries dream to drive on it as this road was an adventurous route due to its shape. The route is very muddy, narrow. Even the heavy motor vehicle remained banned on this route. Due to ban on heavy vehicles like buses and trucks, the normal people are traveling through four vehicles like sumo and tempo. The local drivers know properly how to drive on this tough terrain. One side you will see big rocks and on the other side you will see depth having a range more than 2000 feet. The road is made by cutting the straight cliff of mountains from the middle, due to which it is popularly known as Cliffhanger Road. This road connects Kishtwar with other state Himachal Pradesh, and Sansari Nala is the border between Kishtwar and Himachal. due to its dangerous and deadliest view. This road is in list of top 3 dangerous roads of world till now. Many people are still dreaming and want to take an adventure trip on this road. But for adventure lover, I have a bad news because this road is going to close due to its dangerous, deadliest and narrow shape. And an alternate road is in progress, which is 2-lane road, and the same border road organization is working on it. Due to which, after completion of alternative road, the old one may get closed. So, as the road is going to close soon, I will advise you to take your adventure trip safely before its closure. So, this is all about Cliffhanger Road, the world's dangerous and deadliest road in Kishtwar. And the same road continue to Killar of Himachal Pradesh, due to which this route is also known as Kishtwar Killer Road. Hope you enjoyed the video and the road. If you have any further question about this road, feel free to put your question in the comment box. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and share the video.